All people. Got it. Get it up. Go on. Yes. Go on. Yes, mate. Go on. Fucking awesome. Well done, boys. Well done.
Get it. He's gone. He's out. Well done.
Okay, fire engine is now coming by. He's out. And it all happened very safely. The F-111 attached to a cable that was...
Well done.
부산의 공군 전투비행단 상공입니다. 훈련 비행을 위해 막 이륙한 F-16 전투기 뒷날개에 들이붙었습니다. 방향을 약간 탄 전투기는 한참 상공을 나갔습니다. 꼬리 부분의 불길은 더욱 거세집니다. 조종사가 비상 탈출하고 F-16 전투기는 그대로 논바닥에 추락합니다. 전투기가 폭발하면서 화염이 높이 솟구치고 기체 파편이 주변 300여 미터 이상 날아갔지만 다행히 민간인 피해는 없었습니다.
This single-seat FA-18 Hornet traps, the arresting cable stretches to the breaking point. When it breaks, the plane quickly disappears over the side and into the water. Training saves the pilot, who ejects immediately. This yellow shirt miraculously jumps the cable as it whips under him, not once, but twice. Other well-trained crew members are not so lucky. As the cable snaps back at over 100 miles per hour, it takes out everything in its path. 7 crew members are injured. 3 in serious condition are immediately evacuated by helicopter.
Oh, there goes forward. There it goes. Yep. Andy's got it. He's got the cable and he's just going off the runway now. And the undercarriage has collapsed. Yeah. We're still inside. Bloody hell, I'd have been out of running by now. Canopy's open. Yeah. Okay.